what if I tell you that with materials you find at home, you can notice the behavior of particles that you can't see with your eyes? Let's do it. All you need is 2 cups, hopefully identical and transparent, 2 droppers, food coloring, and hot and cold water. Fill 1 cup with the hot water and the other with the cold one and wait until the water is completely still. Now, carefully add a drop of food coloring to each cup at the same time. And what happens? Let's see. Yes! The hot water self-mixed the coloring, while the food coloring in the cold water just sinks slowly. How could that happen? Physics solved the mystery by understanding the deep meaning of temperature. You know, temperature seems a simple thing, but is much more tricky of what you think. Hot matter is nothing more than molecules vibrating super fast, like people dancing in a party with the most energetic song. On the other hand, cold water is people in a classical music concert, softly shaking their heads with the music. Now, imagine one person soaked in ink enters both concerts. In the first, the crazy dancers will collide with that person getting painted too, and making her move through the whole place, painting everybody very fast. But in the second, she will go through the concert hall until the end of it, barely touching anybody. So, what does this experiment prove? It's showing you that temperature is nothing more than the shaking of microscopical molecules that, although you will never be able to see, just show up the rhythm at which they are dancing. Keep loving physics.